Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my final update for my finished 5 by Cinco de Mayo. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. I usually don't give disclaimers on how I look, but I'm still kind of like under the weather because of the stomach bug. It just hit me really hard, and this is already going on day 5. Tonight is Sunday, so I'm going to try to get this edited and uploaded for you guys. So you're going to be watching this on Monday, hopefully. I know it's been a while since I didn't update this project pan because I was trying to use the products as much as I could for the remainder of the month. And then I got sick last week or a few days ago, and I just didn't want to put anything on my face. I really didn't want to put anything around my mouth, and I just didn't want to contaminate, my makeup in general. That's kind of why it's been, a hot minute since I was supposed to get this final update up. Just to recap, I've already finished the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pressed Pores Powder. I also finished my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and all that's left is my Wet n Wild products. And so I have this Wet n Wild Illumi-Naughty concealing pen, or highlighting concealing pen. This is not really my shade. It's a little bit dark and I feel like it kind of oxidizes. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. It's like a brush tip and you twist it. I think it's old, which is weird considering I barely just opened it. I think when I first started this project pan, it was sealed and everything, and then to like open it and start twisting it, and it's just already separated in there. I don't know, it's weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it. I prefer something a little bit lighter just because I'm starting to get like under eye bags, or dark circles I mean. So I'm just gonna toss this for the millionth time. The next product, it is the MegaLast lipstick in the shade Bare All. I think I'm just gonna declutter this one and get rid of it. As much as I love the color, it is like my perfect shade. If you watch my other videos, I think in my last video I'm wearing it there. I'm not wearing it today just because I don't want to contaminate it. Even though I'm going to declutter it, I just didn't want to, contaminate any makeup, if you will. Let's just take a look at my progress. So you could see my first initial, like my first mark, and then this was my recent update. And then let's check it out now. I've been trying to use this like really hardcore. See if I can mark it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell where I kind of marked it. So I did make some progress. That's literally all that's left. So I'm pretty proud of that I got rid of so much, or not rid of, but used so much, but this is gonna go in the declutters pile. And the last product is the MegaGlow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de, oh gosh, if I don't drop it and break it, Dulce de Leche. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to try to insert footage from before to see if there's any difference, because honestly I can't tell. And I didn't keep doing those circles just because I didn't want to keep marking my makeup. I just didn't want to have marks all over my pans and stuff like that. I think I'm going to add this in a rolling project pan because I do like using this highlighting shade to set my eyes, like my eye primer and stuff. And then this shade, you can see that I still don't have, like, I'm not a huge fan of it is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to find the words just because I've been kind of out of it the past few days. I'm just not a fan. It just looks really orange on me, and like I said, I think I said in my other video, I think this is the cooler version because the other one is warmer. The shade on this side, the highlighting shade, is a banana shade. So I think the other one is a little bit darker. There's not one that's lighter than this. And so, I don't know, for some reason, it just turned me really, not red, but just like this bronzy red, and I don't like it. So, I'm still trying to find uses for this. Like, I'll bronze a little bit on my forehead. Like, I'll take it really hardcore on my forehead. I don't mind. I like a good bronze on my forehead. Like, no makeup look. Then I'll throw some of the bronzing shade on my crease, or contour shade as they call it here. For me, it's a bronzer, not so much a contour because it's way too warm for me. I'm going to start a new project pan soon. I think it's going to be a summer one, like summer flings or something like that. And it's going to probably be lip products because I feel like that's the one that I need to downsize the most. Or I might pick minis. I don't know. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet, but this will definitely be in there. Even though it's not a mini, it's going to turn into like a summer project fling or something like that. Alright, you guys, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for the new subscribers. I see y'all. You know, I get the notifications for that. Thank you so much. And please like this video, and I hope I get better because I'm still feeling nauseous. I'm going to try to push myself to get content up for you guys. I know I'm not feeling the greatest, but you know, you got to keep going on with the show. Or how does it go? The show must go on. That's what I meant to say. But alright, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.